Hi guys, ToryTunes here, and we're going to be continuing Pokemon Heart Gold. Sorry for the bad quality this time. Then again, all of them have been bad quality. Yeah, that's my finger in the camera, just to let you know. Yeah, I'm not in my bedroom this time, and, so let's just try to get this going, hopefully. Man, it's better than usual. So, last time, because if you haven't been keeping up, Kanna's level 8, Aiden is level 10, Zach and Josh are married, and we are about to go and take on the next gym after we catch ourselves a Pokemon. And that is going to be way down here. So, we gotta get... I'm hoping we get, like, a Mareep or something. So, yeah. Because then we can actually have an Ampharos. And plus Mareeps are cute. Mareep. And it's a Rattata. A freaking Rattata. Well, Kanna's gonna murder this thing. And I don't feel bad killing this thing. This piece of junk. Nobody likes a Rattata. And Kanna is now level 9. Yay! And she learned Gust. It's so amazing. Wahoo. Yay. You see, if I had, like, I don't know. If I had an electric type, I could take on my rival easily, or like a water type, you know, because he has a water type and I could murder him. Wouldn't that be nice? Murdering random people. Oh, I don't know if I want to take these guys on. I guess I should. And Zach is gonna be my savior on this. Zach and Josh. So, without further ado, start chucking rocks at Pokemon. I think this dude has Rock Throw, right? Please tell me he does. It's either level 11 or level 12. Come on. Oh geez, these are pretty high leveled. Oh hallelujah, I have Rock Throw. I didn't know if I had it or not. I haven't played this for a long time. So, I'm gonna hit it with a rock, like all people should do with their pets. I think that Zach can be able to murder these birds. And the clock strikes again. And it's gonna be a lot of chimes on the clock. And my mom is home. Great, I cannot record this like this. Gosh, that scared me though, just to see her trying to open the door. Because, you know, it's 10 o'clock at night right now, so, yeah. I'm gonna ask her to be quiet. And now my bird is being psycho. One sec. Sorry. Hey, yeah. Wait, this is awkward. I'll just chuck rocks at birds again, you know, like a boss. And yeah, I just killed a bird. Now throw more rocks at her and my... Okay, well it makes sense. I'm killing birds right now, so... You know, 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it missed. Okay. yeah. Kind of afraid Zach might die on this gym, you know, like, death, because, you know, I don't know, maybe, like, it'll have something secret and, like, murder me. And now my mom is petting my chinchilla, again with the awkward factor, so I'm just gonna give Zach a potion just to be safe. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I don't want any of these guys dying. Maybe Josh, because I already have a, you know, Pidgey. Oh, what am I saying? Well, now I'm fighting this dude. First gym. Let's chuck a rock at his bird. Oh my gosh, critical hit. Okay, that wasn't bad at all though, so why am I freaking out? Wow, Zach is gonna be high leveled. And a Pidgeotto. Great, just great. This thing's level 13. I was thinking it was 14 for a second, but you know. Oh dear. Okay, don't kill Josh. Don't kill Josh. I meant Zach. Oh, I'm so tired. Don't kill him. Please don't kill him. Oh my gosh, 2 critical hits in a row? Okay, Zach, get a critical hit. Kill this bird. Oh gosh. Do I dare send Josh out? I really don't have an option here. I'd rather... Oh gosh. Okay, please don't kill him. Don't kill him. Okay, Josh. Fury attack? Oh gosh. No, not Roost. Okay. I can still pull this through. One, two. Only twice? Okay. Oh no. Okay, stop spamming the Roost. I'm also running out of room. So if the video suddenly ends, that's because I ran out of room. Josh, get 5 hits. Come on. Come on, buddy. 4 times isn't... Oh my gosh. How long is this fight gonna be? Please tell me. If it does end, then the next episode will have beat him. And